Hey, Shopify sellers, want to boost your sales without more traffic? Let me show you Bold Upsell AI Smart Upselling, an app that helps you increase your average order value by offering the right upsell at the right time using the power of AI. Bold's AI-powered smart offers automatically display the best converting upsells and cross-sells on products pages in the cart during checkout, after checkout, and even through email. You can also create manual funnels, run post-purchase, one-click offers, and track everything through detailed analytics. When it comes to pricing, super flexible. It has free Pro plan, includes all features good for up to 25 views or 25 orders per month. It also has Pro 200 $9.99 a month for 200 views or 100 orders. Next is the Pro 1000, comes to 29.99 a month for 1,000 views or 250 orders. And last, the Pro 5000 with 59.99 per month for a higher volume sellers. 5,000 reviews or 750 orders per month. All plans comes with a 14-day free trial so you can test risk free. When it comes to reviews, it has over 1,000 reviews and average 4.6 star rating. It's trusted tool for app selling smarter, not harder. And before you install, don't forget to scroll down and click View Demo Store. You'll see how Bold Upsell AI looks and functions on a real storefront, making it easier to imagine how it can work with your own business. If you want to boost sales without spending more on ads, Bold Upsell AI might be perfect on next step.